Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making the viral cottage cheese flatbread. For those who have not seen all these TikTok videos, this is where you add a little bit of cottage cheese, some eggs, some seasonings, you bake this thing, and it supposedly is delicious. Well, we're gonna find out for ourselves right here, right now. Let's do this. But first, I was inspired by this song. Thank you so much for the song request. There are days when there's nothing to eat. You open up the fridge and all you see is some leftover cottage cheese. But you remember that TikTok you were watching? They made a flatbread that did not look disgusting. Let's see what we think of it when it is all done. I just want more protein, but not from soybeans. It's all going down and we're making it right now. Yeah, let's make this right now. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Second thing you want to do is get your cookie pan ready because this batter is going to go across the whole thing. So spray it really well with some spray oil. Cottage cheese, eggs, add a little bit of salt, add a little pepper. You can add in whatever seasonings you like. I'm adding in a little bit of garlic powder because I'll be making a pizza-like variety. A little bit of onion powder. And to take it up a notch, just a little bit of pizza seasoning to add a little extra kick. Blend until smooth. All right, this seems crazy, but you just take it and you pour it on your pan. I don't know about this. We're gonna find out together. Into the oven for 40 minutes. We'll see. Time's up. Let's take it out. Let's take a look at this. Oh, okay. All right. It looks good, and with all that pizza seasoning and stuff I put in there, it smells really good. I'm gonna let it sit here for about 1 to 2 minutes, and then we can cut it. If you wanna turn yours into pizza at this point, feel free. Coat it with your sauce, your cheese, your toppings, put it back in the oven, broil it for about 5 minutes, get that all melty, and then that's it. All right, let's see if we can lift this thing right off. Oh, okay, look at that. It literally lifts right off. Look at that. Okay. All right, I see ya. You can cut this if you wanted to make a sandwich. You could cut it in half and layer your stuff on one side and then fold it over. Got a little bit crispy there. That's all right. We're gonna cut this into like slices, I guess. Take a look at this cottage cheese flatbread. I am fascinated. I cut it into a pizza slice. I don't know why. I didn't feel like making a sandwich, but you could have made rectangles too. It smells good. Let's give it a taste. Again, it looks like a pizza slice. I'm not even sure how to describe this. Really, all I taste are the seasonings. So maybe it's sort of like tofu, you know, because it takes on the flavors of whatever you put with it. The consistency, I mean, it is bendy. It's bendy, like a flatbread would be. It did get a little crisp on the edges. This is pretty good, I have to say. So easy to make, 2 ingredients, and loaded with protein because of the cottage cheese and the eggs. I think this is winter cottage cheese flatbread for dinner. If I can make the viral cottage cheese flatbread for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too, and make yours into a pizza or a fantastic sandwich. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share with your family and friends, and check me out on Instagram for so much more.